Launch the App Store. Search for MetaMask and download the app. Open MetaMask. Accept the terms. Create a password. If you lose it and don't have your recovery phrase, you'll lose access to your wallet. Now save your secret recovery phrase. Do not take a screenshot, it's not secure. That's it, MetaMask is ready. Open the Safari browser. Visit Akemona.com/pre-register. Enter your email address. Check your inbox. Enter the verification code. Connect MetaMask to Akemona.com. Sign with your wallet to verify ownership. You're now pre-registered for the token generation event. Thank you for watching.